Let's explore the facsimile of a manuscript about medicinal uses of plants and animals. The British Library's manuscript Sloane 1975 is a medical compendium. It tells of the curative properties of substances derived from plants and animals. It was made around 1200 in northern France or England. The first two texts, one specifically addressing women's health issues, are about the medical uses of plants. For the fullest entries, a miniature of the plant is followed by a list of possible names, and then a description of the human ailments that can be treated with the plant's leaves, roots, and flowers. Each cure starts with a large single-color initial H. The images, rendered in brilliant color with ample use of gold and silver, are more decorative than informative. Never intended for use in the field, this book clearly was made to impress. Human and mythological figures are sometimes pictured. For example, a miniature of the ancient Greek poet Homer, clothed, and the god Hermes, nude and with winged feet, illustrates a plant supposedly discovered by the god. After the herbals comes a shorter section on the curative properties of substances derived from animals. Each entry is headed by a picture of the animal, often barely recognizable from the image alone. The bear, for example, is very shaggy, with enormously long claws. And the goose has the beak of a bird of prey. The book concludes with a series of miniatures showing procedures performed on the human body. Many involve administering a hot poker to the patient to create a wound that would drain certain liquids from the body, or so it was believed. These procedures, like the curative properties of plants and animals reported in the book, reflect medical knowledge received by medieval Europe from classical antiquity. The manuscript celebrates that inheritance through its dazzling images as much as its text. The facsimile was published by Müller und Schindler in Germany in 2023.